Transversals. Name angle pairs. Okay, let me tell you what a transversal is. These, so MO and PR, these right here are parallel because it tells you that they are parallel. So these are parallel lines. Any other line that crosses two parallel lines, that is what a transversal is. Okay, so that's what transversal name angle pairs. Okay, so supplementary. Remember what supplementary is? Two angles that make 180 degrees, or a straight line. So let's change colors. No, I don't want that color because I've already used it on this problem. Angle ONL. Here is angle ONL. Angle RQN. RQN. These are not supplementary. This angle and this angle are not supplementary, basically because they don't connect. And even if they did connect, they wouldn't make 180 degrees or a straight line. I'm going to take all this off. Do it step by step on it. That one is not yet. The good thing on this, see how this is all ONLs? So ONL is used on every single option that we have. Let me tell you what the answers could be, and then we'll look for them as we go along. This angle right here would be supplementary to the orange angle because of the straight line that these two angles connect to make. So MNL, oops, there it is, or LNM, okay? It could have also been this angle from the orange to the purple. It could have been that one, but it wasn't. We'll go on and see if we need it later on. SU and VX are parallel, so that means that this is the transversal. Okay, again, VWT is used in all of these. So where's VWT? Right here. Corresponding. Okay, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles is an angle that's in the same spot in the other group. What do I mean by that? Okay, so see where these two lines connect? These angles are one group, and these angles are the other group. So if I've done this one to make VWT, the only other corresponding angle would be this one because it's in the exact same spot. So STR or RTS, those are the same angles, just STR. DEC, vertical, opposite angle. So if this is the group that we're looking at, because DEC is in all of them, and DEC is right here, the only vertical angle to DEC is this angle right here because it's on the other side. So FEH or HEF, depending on which way you go, and that's where it's at. they're nice enough. Just a second. They're nice enough to give you one angle to look at. They're not always going to be that nice, but right now they're that nice. So FGE is in all of our options. Adjacent. Next to. So the angles that are next to the red are this angle or this angle. Both of them are correct. It just depends on which one they tell you. So either F, G, J, or E, G, H. F, G, J. H, I, L. H, I, L. Again, vertical. I'm going to give you just a little bit of time to see if you can figure it out. Vertical is opposite. We just did one, which would be that one right there. So G-I-J. G-I-J is the same thing as J-I-G. It doesn't matter which order it is as long as I's in the middle. Okay. Alternate interior. Q-R-O. Okay. Alternate interior angles, it's not hard. It's just understanding the meanings and for me to be able to explain it in a good way. So, see these parallel lines. Any angle that's between the parallel lines is called interior. Any angles outside the parallel lines is called exterior. So because it says interior, we are going to be looking at these 4 angles. One of them is correct. Okay, so we've already used the QRO. It's interior. Now, alternate means basically opposite, opposite. Other side in different group. So this angle right here, I'm going to erase everything now and start over. Here's QRO, and here's its opposite interior because it's in a different group and it's on the other side of the transversal. So P-O-R is the alternate interior angle for QRO. EDG. EDG, that angle right there. Again, alternate interior to this one. I'm going to pause for about 5 seconds, see if you can figure it out. These 3 purple ones are your options because those are the only ones interior. It's not going to be this one. Oops, just a second, dadgummit. Give me a moment. Let me find it, let me find it. It's not, I don't know why it's doing that. I'm trying to be really gentle with this, and it's not working. It's not going to be this one. Ugh. I know you're frustrated with me. It's not going to be this angle because it's touching the angle that we're looking at, and it's not going to be this angle because it's on the same side of the transversal. So it can only be this angle. So FGD. That's it. With supplementary, corresponding, vertical, adjacent, and alternate interior.